Hey, Christian here, manager of Apollo Screen and Shade in San Diego. Take a look at this. We just wrapped up an Atlas louvered patio cover installation right here in our own backyard. Graphite frame, white louvers. That contrast, absolutely stunning. The Atlas isn't just beautiful to look at. Those motorized louvers rotate with the touch of a button, giving you full shade when the sun is beating down, or open sky when you want it. And when the evening rolls in, the built-in LED lighting takes it to a whole other level. Warm, ambient, and ready for whatever the night has in store. This is what we do at Apollo. We measure, we build, we install. No middlemen, no shortcuts. Just a cover that looks like it was always meant to be there. If you're ready to transform your outdoor space, come see us at our showroom. 2121 Enterprise Street in Escondido, or give us a call at 858-544-5259. You can also find us online.